Mindfulness is a cornerstone of acceptance and commitment therapy, and plays a critical role in helping individuals cultivate psychological flexibility. By fostering an attentive and non-judgmental awareness of the present moment, mindfulness techniques enable individuals to disentangle themselves from unhelpful patterns of thought and emotion. Let's delve into how mindfulness is integrated into ACT and explore specific techniques that facilitate this process. In ACT, mindfulness is not just about relaxation or meditation. It's about becoming fully conscious of the present moment while accepting it without judgment. This awareness helps individuals to recognize and disrupt automatic thought processes, emotional reactions, and habitual behaviors, particularly those that are guided by cognitive fusion and experiential avoidance, two major targets in ACT. Observation exercises. These involve paying close attention to both internal experiences, like thoughts and feelings, and external stimuli, such as sensory inputs from the environment. A simple exercise might involve noticing the breath, observing the rise and fall of the chest, or focusing on the sounds in the environment. Body scan. The body scan is a technique where individuals slowly bring their attention to different parts of their body, observing any sensations or discomfort without trying to change or react to them. This practice helps in developing a more grounded presence and awareness of bodily sensations that are often overlooked or avoided. Mindful walking. This involves walking slowly and deliberately, paying close attention to the sensation of movement and the experience of each step. Mindful walking can be a form of meditation that integrates physical activity with mindfulness, making it easier for some individuals to practice. Eating meditation. Here, the focus is on eating slowly and attentively, savoring each bite and noticing textures, flavors, and smells. This technique can transform a daily activity into a practice of deep mindfulness, enhancing one's appreciation for simple pleasures. 3-minute breathing space. This quick exercise is designed to center the mind and reconnect with the present moment, especially useful when stress or difficult emotions arise. It involves spending 1 minute on acknowledging one's experience, a second minute on focusing intently on the breath, and the last minute on the sensations in the entire body. Consider a client, Julia, who is overwhelmed with stress from her job and family responsibilities. Her therapist might introduce her to the 3-minute breathing space technique. Julia learns to pause at several points during her hectic day and spend 3 minutes grounding herself in the present. This practice helps Julia manage stress by interrupting the automatic cascade of stress responses and giving her space to choose how she wants to react to her circumstances. By regularly engaging in these mindfulness practices, individuals like Julia can develop a more attentive, aware, and flexible approach to their experiences. They learn to observe their thoughts and feelings without attachment or aversion, providing a stable foundation to act in ways aligned with their values, rather than being impulsively driven by emotional states. In acceptance and commitment therapy, ET, commitment to action plays a pivotal role in facilitating meaningful life changes. This aspect of ACT focuses on choosing actions that align with one's values, even when faced with challenges or unpleasant emotions. Let's explore how commitment and behavior change strategies are implemented within ACT to help individuals lead more fulfilling lives. Commitment in ACT refers to the active step of choosing behaviors that move individuals towards the life they value, regardless of the internal obstacles they may face, such as fear or self-doubt. This involves setting goals based on one's values and taking concrete steps to achieve them, which is essential for transforming insights and acceptance into actual life changes. Values clarification. This is the first step in commitment where clients identify what is truly important to them, like family, career, health, or personal growth. Effective change is rooted in clear, defined values as they guide decision-making and give purpose to actions. Goal setting. Once values are clarified, specific, achievable goals are set that are directly aligned with these values. These goals should be SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, to increase the likelihood of success. Behavioral experiments. These involve trying out new behaviors to test personal beliefs or fears in a controlled manner. For example, Someone who fears public speaking might commit to speaking up during meetings as a way to confront and reassess their beliefs about their communicative abilities. Using commitment devices. Commitment devices are tools or agreements made with oneself to encourage sticking to a plan. For instance, scheduling activities related to goals into a calendar or making public commitments can enhance accountability. Action planning. This involves creating a detailed plan for action that includes identifying potential obstacles and strategies for overcoming them. Action planning transforms abstract goals into concrete steps, making it easier to initiate and sustain action. Imagine a client, Derek, who values personal health but struggles with exercise adherence. His therapist helps him clarify that his deeper value is not just exercising, but being healthy to enjoy life with his kids. Together, they set a SMART goal for Derek to engage in physical activity 3 times a week. They plan specific activities that Derek enjoys, such as bike riding and playing soccer with his children, making the exercise both feasible and enjoyable. To address potential obstacles, Derek and his therapist discuss what has prevented him from exercising in the past, like a lack of time or feeling too tired after work. They devise practical solutions, such as scheduling exercise sessions in the morning and preparing gear the night before. Derek also commits to keeping a log of his activities to monitor progress and stay motivated. Through these commitment and behavior change strategies, Derek starts to make exercise a regular part of his life, not as a chore, but as a fulfilling activity that connects him with his values and brings joy. This change exemplifies how AT not only deals with reducing psychological distress, but also proactively enhances life according to personal values. In summary, commitment and behavior change strategies in ACT provide the tools and framework necessary for clients to make significant changes in their lives. By aligning actions with values, individuals can overcome barriers and live more authentically and satisfyingly, demonstrating the transformative power of ACT in fostering both resilience and fulfillment.
As you continue to explore and grow with this course, we'd like to gently remind you about something very important. Have you shared your thoughts on our course yet? If not, we'd love to hear from you. Your feedback is invaluable to us. It's the compass that guides us in improving and tailoring our content to better suit your learning needs. Rating this course doesn't just help us, it also assists your fellow students in navigating their learning journey. By sharing your experience, you're lighting a path for others to follow, helping them make informed decisions about their education. It's quick and easy, just a few clicks right here, but the impact of your words will resonate far and wide. Think about it. Your insight today could be the beacon for someone's learning journey tomorrow. So if you haven't yet, please take a moment to leave a review. Let us know what you loved and what you'd like to see more of. Your voice is integral to our community of learners. Happy learning, and we're eagerly waiting to hear from you.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.